This is the Drosbey 32W LED ceiling light. This is a really easy installation. Basically, I just took the old light down and it just got the two screws right here that just go into the electrical box, and it just got 3 wires. Very easy to put on. And it just got the dimmable item right here. If you don't have a dimmable switch, you could change how bright or how you want this light to show up here. So it's got a couple different settings, and it's got all the LED bulbs right here. So then it's got these screws that hang down where the cover goes on here. Just a very easy installation here. So this is what it looks like right here with the cover installed. It basically just has these 3 screws that go on here and the cover plate right here. But this is a very easy installation. I'm not really the best with electrical stuff like that, but basically it's just powering off the outlet, turning the breaker off really quick, changing out the three wires in there, connecting it to the metal box. So overall, this took probably less than 30 minutes to get the old light off, get the new one on, and it's just a really great light here. You can see it's very bright. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. And again, it's dimmable if you have a dimmable switch, or you could set the lighting adjustment inside the light. But overall, highly recommend this. It's got a really nice look to it. This is the brushed nickel finish here. Highly recommend this light.